Hello everyone. Today we're reviewing Apple's newest flagship, the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Let's see if this phone lives up to expectations. The box contains the phone itself, a charging cable, headphones, and the user manual. The phone's design is very sleek and modern. The back is made of glass and the frame is made of aluminum. Color options include black, white, gold, and space gray. The build quality is truly top-notch. The iPhone 17 Pro Max has a 6.7-inch Super Retina XDR display. This display stands out with its vibrant colors and high brightness. Thanks to its 120 Hz refresh rate, screen transitions are very smooth. Now let's focus on the iPhone 17 Pro Max's performance. The phone's A17 Bionic chip truly delivers incredible speed and power. App switching, gaming performance, and even video editing are incredibly smooth. Let's move on to the iPhone 17 Pro Max's camera features. The phone's triple rear camera system truly allows us to take impressive photos and videos. We can test out the camera's performance by trying out different shooting modes: portrait, night mode, cinematic mode. The iPhone 17 Pro Max has a wide variety of storage options. Options include 128 GB, 256 GB, 512 GB, and 1 TB. As storage capacity increases, so does the price. We can evaluate which storage option is best suited for each user profile. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is a truly impressive phone. Both its performance and camera features stand out. Let me share the phone's pros and cons with you. Here are my thoughts and some purchasing advice for you. Thanks for watching this iPhone 17 Pro Max review. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below.